That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. My name is Denise and we are in my master bathroom because today I am going to be organizing and decluttering underneath my master bathroom sinks, the cabinets. They are a hot mess. I have been avoiding this whole process forever now. So today I'm going to tackle it, and yeah, I'm probably gonna have to take some breaks in between because I do have two kids. I have an 8-week-old and I have a 3-year-old toddler. So yeah, you might see my kids in this video, I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna try to give you guys some great cleaning motivation, and hopefully you can clean with me or just enjoy the music. I don't plan on talking a lot during this video because there's really nothing to say. I'm gonna let you guys see what I'm working with, and then we're gonna get started. Okay, so technically this part of the sink, this is my side. As you can see, all these products and everything. Y'all, I don't even know what happened. Life happened. That's exactly what happened. Life took over, and usually this is Luke's side, aka Sugarfoot. Yeah, some of my stuff kind of migrated over to his side because he's just a simple man and he doesn't really use a whole lot of any space. But I don't know, y'all. Like I said, today is the day I'm gonna tackle it all, and you are here for the ride. So let's get started.
Making moves, trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day, wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time, don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down, no time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say.
Yeah.
I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again.
Baby, can we talk about it? There's something that I need to say to you. Don't say I'm never honest. Ay. But baby, should we lie about it? Do we still pretend that we're okay? Like nothing's going on here. 'Cause I don't have any feelings to hurt, and all you got is a serious words. There's nothing to do about it. Tell me the truth about it. That I got no tears left to cry. Can you just look me in the eye and tell me we're messed up and you dress up for the part? You're so unpredictable. In the morning, in the evening, when we lie in bed and you go in my head and I lose all control. And I'm sorry, I can't take it no more. I'm done with the thing called love. You're so unpredictable.
I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh, yeah. And you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead and compare myself to her. But I'm not no other, so why even bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Oh, wish I could keep you a little bit longer. Could make us feel a little bit stronger. Oh, ooh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh, and you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead compare myself to her. But I'm like no other, so why do I bother? We can't go back.
Okay guys, so I took the liberty of finishing up this whole organization off camera, and I'm just gonna go over all of the little baskets that I have. Okay, so this one is basically just like body washes, hand soaps, and I have cotton balls and some cotton pads in there. This one is all of my hair products. Yes, I do use every last one of them, just not at the same time. These are just like body creams, lotions, anything for the body is basically in this basket. Just some to-go things like toothpaste. I have some mouthwash in there. And I have my feminine sanitary products here. These are all face products. Yeah, I have some face mask here. Sugarfoot got me this for Christmas. It is actually a face brush cleanser thingy. I've never used one before, but I will use it. I'm gonna probably start after we get back from vacation. And this one is just our miscellaneous basket. Things that I don't use every day, but I still need them. This is the basket that I will use on the daily. This is why it has a little handle on it. I'm gonna put it at the very front of the cabinets and everything. And this one is Luke's basket. I put all of his little, what do you call these things? The guards for his clipper in this little Ziploc bag, so it's not as messy as it was before I cleaned everything out. So yeah, I'm gonna just take a quick minute to wipe out the cabinets and put all of this stuff back.
There will be a time when you and me finally can talk. If you speak now, your words will only tear us apart. I pray you'll find a way to mend your broken heart. Yeah, you can show me a new place to start. And you decide if you wanna play pretend. And you decide if you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again.
this is how everything looks. I had to finagle it just a little bit to make sure that all of my little containers fit. It was a tight squeeze, and I'm gonna move on over to his side. And yeah, I'm happy with everything. Everything is nice, neat, and clean. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this cleaning motivation. Okay, so that's it. Everything is nice, neat, and clean, and I'm very excited and happy about the outcome of everything. If you enjoyed this clean with me, please show it by giving it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing because I do have other content coming up, and I would like it if you would turn on your notification bell so you never miss that upload from me. And until my next video, bye.